Welcome to our channel, Maths Made Easy. Solution to NCERT Mathematics for Class 8. First chapter, Rational Numbers. Exercise 1.1. Question 2. Using appropriate properties, find 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. First, we need to regroup these numbers using commutative property. So we get here 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. Now we need to take 2 upon 5 as common. So we are left with minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 in the square brackets and minus 1 by 6 into 3 upon 2. This is called as distributive property. Now in the next step, first we need to take the LCM of 7 and 14. And to make the denominators equal, we have to multiply 7 with 2 so that the denominator is 14. So 7 times 2 is 14 and 3 times 2 is 6. Denominator and numerator is multiplied with the same digit. Henceforth, for 1 by 14, we have to multiply it with 1. So we get 1 times 1 is 1 and 14 times 1 is 14. So we get here minus 6 by 14 plus 1 by 14 in the square brackets, and 2 by 5 is common, and minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 can be simplified further. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 4, as 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So we have here 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14. We get minus 5 by 14 by simplifying minus 6 by 14 plus 1 by 14. Plus minus is minus, 6 minus 1 is 5, and minus sign comes from the greater digit, that is 6. So we get here minus 5 by 14 and minus 1 by 4 by simplifying minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So by simplifying further, we get minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. How do we get minus 1 by 7? By simplifying 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 7 is 14. And 5 and 5 also gets cancelled. So 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times 7 is 7. So we get minus 1 by 7. Here again we need to make the LCMs same, and by taking the LCM of 7 and 4. So the LCM of 7 and 4 is 28, and we get 28 by multiplying 7 times 7 with 4 and 1 with 4, by multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the same digit. So minus 1 by 7 is multiplied with 4. We get minus 4 by 28, and minus 1 by 4 is multiplied with 7 on both the sides. So we get minus 7 by 28. So by simplifying further, we get minus 4 minus 7 by 28, which is nothing but minus 11 by 28. Minus minus plus. So we need to add 7 and 4 and put the sign of the greater digit. That is minus 11 by 28. Thus, the required value is minus 11 by 28. Keep watching these videos for more problems.